Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy. If you guys are new, I'm going to be relaxing my hair today using the Affirm conditioning relaxer system. As you guys may have seen in my previous video, I decided to go ahead and purchase Affirm. I've heard good reviews about it. I've also heard that they are the products are developed by professionals, therefore there is integrity in the ingredients that are being used, which is less harmful for our hair. So I bought the Protecto, I bought the conditioning treatment, the reconstructor, and I bought the relaxer as well as the normalizing shampoo. So right now I'm putting in the Protecto, and this is it feels like a conditioner, but it's to protect my hair before I relax it. So in the instructions, it does say to put it close to your new growth and to comb it through with a wide tooth comb. The only thing I was kind of questioning was whether the combing through my hair was a good idea, because it's not really that good to manipulate your hair and your scalp before relaxing, because you could get burned. But I must say that the Protecto, it definitely softens your hair and it softens the new growth. So it kind of made that comb through process a lot easier, and it wasn't like too much pulling. So I purchased the Argan Relaxer, and I purchased it in the mild strength. I want to mention that I did purchase this because a subscriber recommended that I use the sensitive scalp formula in the Affirm relaxer. She said it was a really good relaxer. I guess she was quite concerned after watching my thinning hair video. But I did go ahead and buy the mild relaxer because I believe the sensitive scalp formula comes in these small tubs where you have to mix the formula. So I didn't want to have to mix a formula each time I had to relax my hair. And the reason why I didn't want to have to do that is because I know after you mix a formula, you probably, correct me if I'm wrong, you have to throw it away. So I thought that if I got the tub, then I could keep more relaxer. So I got the smallest tub, which was 4 pounds. And I purchased the whole relaxer system from Imani Hair Care. They're a distributor in the US, and I'm in Canada, so that was the cheapest option for me. I also got the mild formula because I didn't want to do any more damage to my hair. I find that my hair, in my opinion, I think that my hair, the density is fine. The texture is fine, and the density, I would say like a medium density, but I just wanted it to be gentler on my hair. I thought maybe the more coarser or stronger strength would have been too much, and we're trying to like lessen the damage because I've definitely experienced a lot of I would say over processing on the ends. And definitely I've been doing a lot of overlapping in my previous relaxer. So I thought I can kind of like take it down a notch using the mild relaxer. On the relaxer container, it does say, it does have different increments for different texture hair. So I'm going with 15 minutes for medium density hair, I believe, or medium texture. So my goal was to apply and comb out within the 15 minutes, and I did. The dye brush that I'm using to relax my hair definitely speeds up the time because you're able to get into the root, and it just allows you to move a lot faster. So if you don't have one and you do relax your hair at home, I recommend you getting a dye brush. It helps a lot, way better than just a tail comb only. And also, I just want to state, if you can go to a salon to relax your hair, it's much better to relax your hair at a salon. Go and get your hair relaxed. It's much better because you're using a chemical and you can do a lot of damage to your hair and scalp if it's not done properly. So I'm definitely taking a risk. I'm not the first and the last person to relax my hair at home, but it is better to get a professional to really get into your hair. Make sure you're not overlapping, over processing, or causing any damage. So I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I just feel comfortable relaxing my hair. Truthfully, I would prefer to go to a salon and get it done, but my schedule doesn't always allow. So sometimes I just have to do what it do at home. Okay, so I'm At this moment of my hair, I am feeling a lot of tingling and burning. It really, not really burning, but I can feel the chemical really working. And I do believe it's because I did a lot of like manipulating and rubbing and scratching my scalp. So I was able to feel everything. Like my pores were wide open. I could feel everything. And I was quite surprised, considering that it was a mild relaxer, that I was feeling anything. Yeah, so I haven't felt like that kind of sensation in a long time, like feeling really not burnt, but like that tingly feeling like, okay, I need to go and rinse this out. I'm moving back and forth. I think this is me like prancing around because I'm itching to go and wash it out. So according to the instructions, step 2 is to use the 5-in-1 reconstructor. And this is after just rinsing out the relaxer. Just rinsing out, not shampooing. Just rinse it with water, rinse it out, and then you put the reconstructor in. The reconstructor is so softening. It has softening ingredients in it. I was able to like run my fingers through it, and like it's just really soft and conditioning. It says to leave it in for 5 minutes. So I left that on for 5 minutes, guys, and I rinsed it out. After I rinsed it out, I did shampoo my hair using their normalizing shampoo, which is the step 3. And I can still feel the effects of the conditioner even after using the normalizing shampoo. And the normalizing shampoo, honestly, all it did was balance the pH in my hair to get it back to its normal pH balance. Okay, so my hair is fully relaxed. Honestly, this video was just to show you just me using the relaxer system and seeing how I liked it. To be 100% honest with you, my hair was not relaxed bone straight. It still had a lot of texture in the root, especially at the top, in the middle, and it gave me more like a texturizing effect. If I had used the olive oil relaxer, I believe personally that my hair would have been bone straight. Or if I had used a relaxer in the next level of strength, which is I think maybe a medium or a normal strength, my hair would have gotten a lot straighter. But that's not always a bad thing. This could simply mean that my hair is getting less processed. So I'm getting more like a texturizer or like a not so harsh of a relaxer, which will help to retain the volume in the body in my Pixie, and my hair is not getting like super damaged. So I'm going to try again with the next relaxer to really make sure that I get a good relaxer. It could be because I washed it out too quick because my scalp was tingling, quote unquote. Yeah, it could be because of that. But really, I just wanted to show you guys how I use a relaxer. I am going to be putting in some clip-ins. Therefore, I'm not going to be styling my hair today. I'm just tying it down and giving it a good dry. I'm going to tie it down in the middle part, dry it, and then I'm going to be putting in some clip-ins that I got from a company. So look out for that video if you are interested. Guys, definitely leave a comment below if you have any questions about the Affirm conditioning relaxer system. I will leave the link to where I purchased it from below, and as well as the Amazon link. Yes, as well as the Amazon link. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as usual, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.